In this planet Earth, everyone struggles to survive. All of the living rely on the same thing to further the bloodlines. Food, the source of energy. And in the animal kingdom, food is the greatest driving force for everyone. As herbivores eat plants, they become the prime target for the carnivores. And the battle begins. As one fights to get food, other battles to survive one more day. But who lives and who dies is never clear cut. The carnivores can be predators or be the scavengers. Predator and prey locked in the eternal struggle for survival. But some hunters don't always hunt prey. They target another predators when hunger crosses the limits. And scavengers not always rely on the dead herbivores. Carnivores provide good source of protein. One carnivore eats another, one alive and one dead. And when the food source runs dry completely, then to feed the hunger of the belly, species starts feeding its own kind. They start cannibalism, a rare display of feeding the own kind. Here in this wild kingdom, everyone is the food for someone. And it's the battle not only between the hunter and the hunt. It's a brutal fight for food. For the herbivores, territory is the source of food. So they clash for their turf. But for the carnivores, when a carcass is ready to feast, the animals violently clash for the rights to win the food. Predators clash with each other and often turn on different species. Scavengers also do the same. But the age-old rivalry is between the predators and the scavengers over food. This battle for survival will never break its motion.